Right now, let's get some more analysis, and I'm pleased to be joined by Mr. Zhiqin, a senior researcher at the Chongyang Institute for Financial Studies at the Renmin University of China. Good evening to you, Mr. Liu. Welcome to our program. So, New Zealand, as we mentioned, is now seeking trade diversity with China. What newly emerging sectors can the two countries engage in economically, and what kind of policies can promote trade diversity?
As we know, in the past time or many years, that both sides, China and New Zealand, have tried the best to have the economic trading in the dynamic way, or more products of export and import to each other. As we know that China is also one of the largest trading partners for New Zealand. And that's why China and New Zealand have been already over 50 years in good shape of friendship and also mutual trust and mutual understanding. So in this way, that there are many aspects, actually, as you mentioned, that new emerging the sections of the product, industry product, or new technologies, and also agriculture, especially for service industry. There are many points that for both sides to enhance their trading relations. Especially, I think there are many students from China come to New Zealand, and also tourist travelers from China are the two major consumption powers to support the economic development in New Zealand. So we see that so many points and good chances for both sides to enhance their close ties. We hope that by such a visit that this closely relations between two sides will be further deepened and further fruitful.
Well, Mr. Liu, New Zealand's trade minister said there were positive discussions on joining the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, the CPTPP. What kind of benefits will it bring to both countries if China signed up to this framework?
As we know, CPTPP is a new model of the international multilateralism. As we know that the globalization in traditional model has been already changed in somewhat. So CPTPP is one thing that is something new for some countries at the moment. As we know, the population of this region is quite large, and also GDP occupied about 50%, and also including the members are major advancing countries with high technology developed countries. So this makes the combination of all economic powers. So if China joined this CPTPP, I think they will have more chances and opportunity to have a good market in China, because China's population is huge, market is unbelievable, potential attractive for all partners in the region. So that's why we have so many chances and opportunities for all the member countries to join together to make the free trade, liberalize this market, and then make the market access more easy, convenient. For that is all the benefit of all members.
And the Vietnamese finance minister, in the meantime, says that the country needs to take aggressive measures to boost the economy. What are Vietnam's major economic issues, and how do you see it recovering?
As I understand, the so-called aggressive measures will be including that to further open up their market. This is quite important. As we know, Vietnam is a very special partner for China. We learned each other in the past 40 years, and Vietnam always try to see some special experiences from China to avoid any misleading or the mistake that during the reforms. But at the moment, I think Vietnam should pay great attention that what China has met the headwinds and the challenges with Western countries. Even nowadays, we know that Vietnam is a very in good favor of the Western market. But at the end, I think that Vietnam will also have similar challenges from Western countries, how to change their system, how to change their developing policies. So this is a great challenge. But I think for the will how to industrialize and modernize Vietnam, I think he has a good chance that to have close cooperation with China in order to get the full support from China, because China market is still there. We can help each other to avoid any possible and hidden headwinds and challenges caused by the international community.
Well, Mr. Liu Zhiqin, thank you so much for your analysis.